Hi guys, today I will be doing air filter change on this 2017 Audi Q7. To do that, we had to replace the cover. There is a clip here that you just pop. There's one on the other side also. And then once you pop it, you just lift up the cover and gently pull it out. When that is done, there is a single screw on top here, and that is a T20 screw. So I will go ahead and remove that. Okay. That's what it looks like. And that's a Tox T20 to remove it. Once that is done, by the way guys, this is the filter, the air filter that you will need. That's the part number, and that's it. Okay. All right. I will just use a pry bar to gently pull it off the air filter housing. Just gently. Okay. It's off. Okay. I will just lift it up. Is off. It's quite dirty. It hasn't been changed in a while. So I will try to clean this up real quick, and then I will install the new one. All right, I will go ahead and install the new filter. That's what it looks like. So simple. Just try to seal it down. And then just push that in. Okay, and then we will install the screw back. Okay. Right? We will put the cover back. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave that in the comments. Please subscribe, and I appreciate it.